We're still down at the field here, and Michael's pulled out of his arsenal of helicopters a big Huey. And this is absolutely a piece of work, a state-of-the-art machine, this thing, and what he's done to build this helicopter. Tell us a bit about it, Michael.
Okay, well this is a Vario 2.2 Huey 205. That's what the fuselage is. The mechanics that drive this, it's all powered by a G26 Sanoa. It's custom built mechanic. I've designed it all myself. It runs a rotor disc of 2.2. Also the body, I have a mold for this body, so I've laminated and laid up the body myself. So effectively this model has been completely scratch built. Carries all the regular details like working doors, all the pilots are in, the dash is all built, the dash is lit in, that works, searchlights, main lights, all the doors actually slide on the backs, and even runs a full electric winch which lowers a cradle and retrieves the cradle. The model's an absolute dream to fly, not underpowered, weighs 14 kilos. And we're making good use of the Trex parts. We have a Trex 700 rotor head with good blade dampening in it. It needs it. Only half symmetrical blades for better lift.
I'll get a shot of that half symmetrical blade. They're a carbon blade, Michael, aren't they?
Yeah, carbon blade. They're made in China. They're very sufficient. They work well. They're rather light. So that part's really, really good. The only thing we run here is an extension fly bar. That seems to help a lot with the cyclic control.
So you've extended the fly bar from the standard 700 size Trex?
Yeah, it's up by about another 4 inches.
Okay.
Also very important for stability in scale models is fly bar weights.
Okay.
This slows down the cyclic reaction and gives you a much more smoother control. It's shared with components. We're running from the back of the mechanic, all G4 Raptor boom, torque tube drive. Inside here is a special 50-degree gearbox, which is built by Jakadowski in Germany. And then we run just a pretty much standard Robbe-Schlüter tail gearbox off a 90 size Robbe-Schlüter. So it's a good mixture of parts, but they all work really, really well.
Very nice. And did you scale this off a helicopter in America, did you? Or?
Yes. Yeah, this is used in one of the fleet of Air Ops, which is Los Angeles Fire Department. They have several helicopters, and this is the way they paint them.
Beautiful. You've done a magnificent job, Michael. We're going to get some footage of this flying, I believe, soon.
Yeah, we'll give it a bit of a go. I don't fly it that much, but it's certainly a joy when I do have that chance to give it a fly.
Thank you, Michael. We look forward to it. Thank you.
Okay.